Alright, today we're at Giant City Park with the kids, and we're getting ready to go on a cold, wet hike. What do you have to say?
Hey, he's wearing a mask outside.
Where are we going, Eli? Right there?
Going where?
Where are we going, Matt? Oh no! Are you ready to hike the trail?
Hey, Max, come down here.
All right, go get Eli.
All the lava made all of those lines. Lava did.
It
Lava
did?
made all of those lines that's on those rocks.
These are dinosaur bones? Right there, huh?
We can go up there. Oh, they up there. I'm scared. Everyone be careful. Put me in the way. I'm the expert. Do not.
Come over the big log. How are they gonna do it?
And made it.
There's Max. How are you gonna do it, Eli? Good job, Eli. Let's go, Kaden.
They're blowing away.
You're gonna lead it? You're gonna lead it?
Yeah! Yeah! Dear dream.
Let's sing it again.
So hot tonight, so really but what are we? So really but what are we?
And the whole
Yeah, Paolo!
We did it for a short little bit.
I'm stuck in jail.
Oh! There you go.
And your daddy's came now. Eli's got a daddy.
He's got a daddy?
Yeah.
Who is it?
It's Uncle Ben.
That's Eli's daddy?
Yeah.
Big jump!
Whoa! Where you jumping?
Yeah. And now I'm gonna walk. We walk you really far to the top. Then ding ding ding. And whoa, that's a tall mountain.
That is a big mountain.
On the top of it. that tall mountain.
Yeah, let's go get it.
It is much. I'm taking the hard. Oh, my hands are dirty.
Aww.
My pants are dirty.
Aww.
Watch out, you're about to fall.
What do you think's in there?
Bear.
A bear?
Can I go in there?
Boom!
I saw the bear.
You saw the bear?
I saw it again.
You did?
The bear's this way. The bear.
Oh no, where is the bear? What if he gets you?
Oh, it's a cool house.
That's for a bed. There's a bear in here, Eli.
Oh, this is a cool house, Kaden.
This is a bear house, Eli.
Kaden, do you
The
that where
bear,
the-
the bear take your coffee now.
They took my coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna get them.
He drank it all.
Oh no! What are we gonna do?
I think it's still in there.
Oh, let's find the
Because
coffee.
they're dead.
They're dead.
Mhm.
What happened?
Scruffy killed them.
Scruffy! Hey, we'll find the coffee.
Scruffy killed the bear.
Scruffy killed it.
I
How are you gonna get out? Can you go that way?
cold.
Big waterfall.
Drawing down my shirt. It's cold.
What do you think? Haley? Are you crazy? Haley's crazy.
It's cold.
Look at Kaden's climbing the mountain. Whoa, we made it to the waterfall, Kaden.
Yes,
Whoa, look at Uncle Ben and Eli. Max, be careful, buddy. Eli, is that good? What kind is it?
Mine's the nail.
Yum. Who else got one? Kaden, is that good?
That's the
Take it with the other
nail.
hand, honey.
Vanilla?
Take your cookie with the other hand.
Who's silly? You're silly?
Look, where my hair.
You say silly, Kaden?
Silly Dan.
Kaden, are you silly or is Eli?
Gigi! I'm just kidding. Big arm. Big hand.